Here's the engine noise. It'll do that for 5 or 10 minutes until the engine's warm, and then, I can turn it off, back on, drive it. It's fine. It just does it, and then if it sits for an hour, it'll be loud again.